Hello everyone. Welcome to English with Suma. In today's video, you're going to learn the 8 parts of speech in English. These are the basic building blocks of every English sentence. If you understand them, learning grammar becomes much easier. So, let's get started. Every English sentence is made up of different types of words. Each type has a different job. These types of words are called parts of speech. There are 8 main parts of speech. Let's learn them one by one with simple examples. Let's look at the 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. We'll understand each one with a simple definition and example. A noun is a naming word. If you can name a person, place, animal, or thing, it is usually a noun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Instead of saying, Rahul is a good boy. Rahul studies every day, we say, Rahul is a good boy. He studies every day. Here, he is a pronoun. A verb tells us what someone does or what happens. Words like run, eat, read, and sleep are verbs. An adjective describes a noun. It tells us more about a person, place, or thing. For example, in beautiful flower, the word beautiful describes the flower. An adverb tells us how, when, where, or how often something happens. For example, in she runs quickly, the word quickly tells us how she runs. A preposition shows the relationship between one word and another. For example, the book is on the table. The word on shows the position of the book. A conjunction joins words, phrases, or sentences. For example, I like tea and coffee. The word and joins the 2 nouns. An interjection expresses sudden emotions. Words like wow, oops, oh, and hurrah are interjections. Let's look at one sentence. The smart boy runs quickly to school. Here, boy is a noun, smart is an adjective, runs is a verb, quickly is an adverb, and to is a preposition. This is how different parts of speech work together to form a sentence. Let's do a quick quiz. Which word is an adjective? A. Run, B. Beautiful, or C. School? The correct answer is beautiful because it describes a noun. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. In the next video, we'll learn about nouns in detail with many easy examples. See you in the next lesson.